Do you guys feel like this year went by a little bit too quickly? I feel like I lost at least 4 months this year. Yeah, I remember it was January, and then it was May, and then the summer just kind of flew by, and then it was Thanksgiving, Black Friday sales, and Christmas. And it's done. This year went by. I feel like every year the days go by quicker and quicker, and I feel like life is just whoosh, passing me by. I made a lot of changes this year actually with my life. I also moved into a new house, and decorating and buying new furniture and new stuff. It just took so much of my time. Organizing the studio, I have all new equipment, all new lights, new camera, new lens, everything's new. So I'm finally done, and I think next year is gonna be a better year because I'm planning a lot more content. I have been listening to you and paying attention to the questions that you guys are asking. I definitely do plan content on health stuff, exercise, and what I eat and how I keep a flat tummy. Yes, I do talk about advanced anti-aging skincare, but I always say that anti-aging when it comes to your skin is more about health, because younger looking skin is just a healthier skin. And at some point in the near future, I do have to talk about supplements and food and what I eat, when I eat especially. There's also been a lot of requests on makeup, how I do my makeup. Now I do my makeup very differently depending on the situation, depending on the event. My daily makeup literally takes me 6 minutes, and I think this is the first thing that I want to show you. I can basically get my face to look almost this way in about 6 or 7 minutes. And regardless, the time went by very quickly. I am excited that Christmas is here. I'm excited for all the holidays and family and gathering and good food and good company and presents, gifts. Who does not like gifts? So I do have a lot of gifts. As a big thank you for watching my videos and commenting and engaging with me. I'm always happy to receive all of your notes and all of your comments and suggestions. I welcome all of your suggestions and questions. I try to respond to all of them, although this channel sort of grew a little bit, so it's becoming a little more difficult to keep up with all the questions, but I am trying. I have a lot of other gifts, but I also have quite a few of these beautiful bags by Calisum, many of them. So the lucky winners will definitely be getting one of these, but I also have other gifts. I didn't want to bring all of them here because there's so many of them. All the rules on the giveaway will be in the description box below. My biggest requirement and request is that you comment below and also subscribe to my newsletter. But my biggest request is leave me a note below, because I do want to hear from you. I do want some suggestions on what you're interested in, what type of questions you have, what type of content you would want me to create in the future. I think there's so many beautiful products that I've been testing this year. Yes, I've tested more products this year than any year before. I'm very excited about this giveaway. I hope you are as well. So once again, please leave me a note, a suggestion, an idea, any thoughts you may have. I wish all of you a very happy holiday. I wish you a lot of cheer and a lot of joy and a lot of happiness and a lot of good food and good company. I wish you all a lot of comfort and just a lot of smiles, billion smiles and laughter this holiday season. Thank you for watching my videos this year, and I really appreciate your comments, your wishes, your good wishes, your ideas. I do appreciate and love all of you. I also do want to mention that ShopMy now has an app for shoppers, not just for content creators. ShopMy is the platform that a lot of creators use to generate links and just kind of keep all of our products in one place. It's kind of like a mini website. But ShopMy now created a ShopMy app version for shoppers, not just content creators. I'll put a link below that you can download the app, and you can kind of connect to a lot of creators, and you can see all of my products, everything that I talked about in one place, and not just me. And by the way, it's completely free for you to use and download. Happy holidays to all of you. Once again, I will see you soon.